Hey Vishudi, congratulations, all the best. Love you. Mwah.
Mishu, congratulations and all the very best. Sorry we couldn't be there. Hope to meet you soon. Bye. Love you.
Hi Mishu, congratulations baby. Many congratulations. Sorry we couldn't be there with you on this big day, but our heart is always with you. Our blessings are always with you baby. Love you sweetheart and all the best for your future. Love you and love you.
Hi Mishu, finally your school is over. You got graduated. Sorry, couldn't be there to see you on the graduation day wearing the coat and the gown. Good that now you are going to college, trying to become a neurosurgeon. Best of luck, and we all need you as a neurosurgeon.
Congratulations, you're now going to college. All the very best. We're all so proud of you. God bless you and I love you. चलो खुशी दीदी को दो like this. Yes.
Congratulations and let's celebration and you have a good luck. Miss Didi, good luck and I hope you have I hope you have a busy day and enjoy there.
Hi Biscuit. I just wanted to send over a message which was over and about the congrats and the good lucks, because you have been always an extra special person for me and for all of us. At least for me, there have been so many firsts associated with you. You were the first one who called me Masi. You were the first baby I fed, I changed, I showered, I sang, I played with, I sang lullabies, and I bought toys. You were, I would say, I was always the baby of the house because I was the youngest, and then after me it was you. So you were the one, younger than me, a baby, my baby. So God bless you, we love you, I love you. The name Biscuit, I don't now even remember how I started off with calling you Biscuit. I think it must have been because you told me once, you must have been 4 or 5, that you love biscuits. So I started calling you Biscuit. And the name stuck, and it is Biscuit for me, you are Biscuit for me. And now I remember our gossips about film stars, movies. I remember a small child with curly hair, and I loved your curls, growing up into a beautiful girl who's so talented, who is so hardworking, who is so smart and so loving. I'm so proud of you. And now you're taking another step to another phase in life, which is going to be very different from what it has been so far. You've been at home, there's been family with you, and now you're going out in the big, I wouldn't call bad, but a big world. You have to be a responsible person. You have to be smart, street smart. You have to think, because you are representing not just yourself, you're representing your family. You're representing your values. You're representing all the things that your parents have and your family has taught you. So any step, any thought you take should be based on what you have learned so far. So my advice to you always will be that give the best shot in your studies, in everything you do, and the best will happen to you. Be sincere in your efforts. Things may not just work out there and then, but if there is delay, that doesn't mean there is denial. So always be patient, give your 100%, and the best will happen to you. And the last thing which I want to tell you, which I have learned personally, is that sometimes we feel that we are the best because good things keep on happening, and we feel that, oh, this is it. But remember that just like bad things don't stay, good things also don't stay for long. So always value your family, and your very close friends, because they are the only people who are going to stay with you no matter what. So that is the only advice I give you, that think with your head, but always keep this in mind, that your family, your parents, your brother and us here, we love you, we support you, we'll always be with you no matter what. And we all are so proud of you. We all are very proud of you, and I love you.
Dear Mishu, this is Bada Uncle from Jammu. First of all, let me convey congratulations and blessings on behalf of Amma, Bulbul, and of course my own self. Having done that, I may add that by graduation you have concluded a small chapter in your life and started with another, which is more important than the first one. You have to go through so many of them in your long life. We are sure you will have a smooth sailing through all of them. But one advice I would like to give you, dear Mishu, no matter how the weather is in your life, never stop trying and never stop learning. Give life your best and you will get nothing but the best in return. God bless you, my angel.
To congratulations, we are proud of you. बहुत 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 मुबारक. Wish you all the best. सदा सुखी रहो. आपकी मनोकामना पूरी हो. Wish you a very 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 long joyful life, full of all whatever you are deserving. Thank you. God bless you.
हेलो बिट्टू रानी, कैसे हो? ठीक हो? भगवान आपको खुश रखे. हमें आप पे गर्व है कि आपने आज तक बहुत अच्छा किया. हमें आशा है कि आप आगे भी ऐसे ही रहोगी. भगवान आपको खुश रखे और हमेशा आपको ऐसी ही सफलता मिलती रहेगी.
बिट्टू, well done. We are proud of you. Well done.
हमारी गुड विशेस हमेशा आपके साथ हैं. गॉड ब्लेस यू. जान, मेरी जान हो तुम.